an unboxing, if you will, or unpackaging from a company known as Silent. And these are pouches that you can put your mobile device in. You can put, a key fob. You can put, a credit card with RFID, capabilities. You can put it inside here and protect that from, well, a few different things. One is that you can essentially become untrackable, so if you were to put some items in here, right, let's say it's a phone, right? So now this phone's in here and you're basically going to fall off the grid. So people cannot see you whenever they're searching for hotspots or airdropping or any of those kind of things. I know you can change things, airplane modes or whatever, but if you just pop it in here, it is going to prevent any of those signals from coming out. You're going to be untrackable. Another thing is that all of that EMF radiation that escapes through your electronic smart types of devices, those are going to basically be eliminated. And then the other thing that this does is that it has Faraday cage multi-shield. So if any sort of EMP occurs, it's going to prevent that as well. But this one specifically is a pouch for your mobile device. So at night, I'm going to put my phone in here. That way, when it's by my bedside, I'm not going to be getting all the EMF radiation for hours. My wife and I are going to have these. But another thing you can do is you can put key fobs in here. That way, people who drive around the neighborhoods, and this does happen, going around collecting and replicating the signals from key fobs and opening garage doors, right? So it could be garage door opener, it can be your unlocking key fobs. You can put those in here and prevent people from doing that. And there are instances where people are, like I said, opening garage doors, starting vehicles, all of those kind of things because of the signals that are constantly emitting. So I just thought that was really cool. This is a company that's new to me anyways. I am going to be utilizing this over the coming months and whatnot, but I just wanted to give you guys a heads up that this company was out here, was making things, like I said, made in the USA, really good quality from what I can see. Honestly, it's like extremely good quality. And if you guys are interested in Silent, just check out the links in the description box down below. I will be linking those down below. There goes emergency vehicles. Emergencies do happen. Worst case scenarios do happen, guys. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Y'all stay safe out there. And remember, it pays to be repaired. God bless.